so today we're going to...
It almost fits already.
We should be able to finish it, right?
Yeah, we're good to go.
Coolant will be finished by today? Well, minus clamps.
Yeah, we'll do those.
So, we have some fancy clamps that we want to get. But first we're going to get everything plumbed up. So, we've gotten like quite the assortment. We got this AN16, and then it goes into this AN16 to, I think it's 1.5 inches.
Yeah.
And then he's got one hose off like a Porsche 944, and then are those both the same or no? This one's different?
This is different. This is the G8.
So we got a G8 one on there. What's this one then?
944, the Porsche.
Oh, this is 944, and then that's just a basic one from Farm and Fleet that fits everything.
They got thermostat housing.
And then you got this fancy thermostat housing. It's got 1.5 inches on each side, and of course it doesn't come with a thermostat, so we had to get a thermostat. They got them good.
It's in the kit. It's $40. It's not bad.
Not really. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good deal.
And then it comes with clamps and stuff too, but we don't really care too much about those because we have some fancy clamps that you guys are gonna think are pretty neat. But yeah, I guess we might as well just go ahead, get right into this, and they're kind of letting it cool in or warm up because she's a bit chilly in here. It's already quite warm now. Yeah. But yeah, so let's just jump to the GoPro. Alright, well there it is in all its glory. Walk much? So yeah, so we got AN16 adapter in the water pump. You can't get that anymore, so that's great. Then just an AN16 female ends on both. Then you got an AN16 male end into 1.5 inches. Then that hose into 1.5 inches on both sides. Thermostat from, what was it, Jegs?
Yeah.
And I guess it's a kit. Comes with a thermostat, and it was like $40. And then you got this guy. And we're gonna get some fancy clamps to cover up these. That'll be nice. But yeah, that's where we're at for that. Unsure what we're gonna do next. So let's see what we do. Alright, so I don't think we're gonna cut the plate tonight, but we're gonna get a template out of cardboard for the plate that will cover up this and that the coils will mount into. So we're gonna knock that out. As you can tell, we made it right there. So we're just gonna order that because it's already gold, and yeah, just a way simpler option here. It's already gold. Then we just need to modify that for the mounting. That sounds a lot better.
Coils.
Yeah, for the coils. So we just got to modify it to make it good for the coils.
Lightning fast shipping even.
Man, now what are we gonna do?
I don't know. We already finished 2 things now. Done and done.
Yep, already finished. Yeah.
Much in the car already.
I don't think there's much for this video. I think this is legit gonna be it. I suppose let's go take a look at your list.
Oh, I'm gonna make a new one. No, it's not. I'm gonna update it.
No, we're gonna look at this list.
I already changed it, so it doesn't count.
Let's look at this list.
It's already garbage. Oh wait, we did all this.
Why'd you cross them out? You didn't even take them off. You just.
Yeah, you gotta see. You gotta see what you done.
We got some rear shock brace wiring, door cards, full exhaust, wire,
Coil and plug stuff.
coil unplug stuff.
It's
New throttle bracket, oil filter relocation and such.
half done already.
Dash, passenger seat, install center console, box in the fuel pump, or we're gonna, yeah, box in. Yeah, we're gonna basically make a cover for it. Probably like make some insulation in it or something for it. Suspension, brakes, tint the windows, valve cover shit's done. Well, kinda. Upper radiator hose, that's done. Fender dump wastegate, we're gonna go back to that again.
Try it again.
Catch can, that's done. Move turbo oil feed to oil filter, that's basically done.
What? All you do is run the wire.
Yeah,
Or
it's
run
basically
the line.
done. Rewire injectors.
Basically done with not even started.
Yeah, basically. Some new wheels, headlights, turn signal wiring, and we got to figure out the headlight situation. Fixed bumper, I don't know what that entails.
There's a big crack in it.
Oh, so some zip ties, some drift stitches.
It's already done.
No, you broke all the drift stitches.
Oh, it's on there again.
Oh, you did it again?
Yeah, I did it like the last time I went out.
Oh, and then paint body. And we're gonna make a sick-ass wing that I'm super excited for. And a thicker transmission pan. And I'm sure there's more. Like Paul said, he's gonna make a new list, so.
Yeah, I changed it. Color coordinated.
This is what his list looks like, and mine's just one simple thing.
Yeah, that's boring. I got all this room for activity.
We might as well go look at mine too. Because I'm pretty sure I got shit I can cross off, like, right now. I got the marker. Shit's getting serious. Super duper serial. The list. That's how you know my list is better, because it's called The List. Heads are shipped down. I don't think I've done anything with the heads or with the engine work. Turbo setup. I got to do the wastegate dump still. Fender dump it for the exhaust. That's going to be probably the next video. I still need to shorten my oil feed.
That won't get done. That's going to stay long.
Yeah, finish wrapping everything with the exhaust. Still need to do that. Body, mount tail panel. I need to get metal for that. Wait, no, I got the metal. So I just got to make that. Forgot about that. Fix up deck lid and mount that. Finish roof scoop. That one's not done. Mesh screen's kind of done, but not really.
You didn't paint it? Or no, paint something else, isn't it?
Yeah, it's there. But it still needs to be mounted, and I still need to make the back one. Rear diffuser. Bolts for side flaps. That's good. Tear down and paint. That happened. That sucked.
The marker's working great.
I know. There should be like a... This one will work. I got one of your fat boys.
Hey.
It's working freaking great. Rubber hose for bumper edge. I just did that. It's actually not rubber hose. It's actually straight up edging. Paint roof. Miscellaneous. New gauge mount. That's done. And wired in. Not done. Make turbo shroud with fiberglass. Nope. Louvers still questionable. Crazy paint scheme plausible. New vinyl banner. That's all summer. No, that's just temporary in the back. But yeah, we can show the new bumper thing. I didn't show that. So yeah, it's got this rubber thing. Let me grab the light, because yeah, it's got like this rubber edging on there. Works pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look crazy good, but you know, it doesn't look terrible. But yeah, right there, and that goes down and around. So that's done. That's cool. But yeah, so I mean, I guess in this video we kind of went over. Well, we finished up his upper coolant hose. Man, I can't speak. Finished up his upper coolant radiator hose. There's a lot going on in that sentence. And then we kind of just went over the list. So that's what can be expected. Well, it's what needs to be done for the most part. A lot of it needs to be done. Some of it's kind of like questionable as it needs to be done, but
I'm probably gonna start my wiring next week. I got a week off.
that sounds fun and all, but I'm gonna have to pass.
Probably won't be recorded because we've done it 7 times.
No, probably not. I mean, maybe. We might throw out the GoPro and just time-lapse it all. And, yeah.
Good talk.
Basically, cool story, bro. I started a Patreon. That link will be in the description. Good way to support the channel. If you guys want merch or decals, I'll even do custom decals. If you need custom decals, just email me. Garagelessmerch@gmail.com. I think that's in the description as well. I don't remember.
It's gonna be.
Yeah, it's plausible. Should be in there. Yeah. That's it. You know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.